Today I'm gonna make a very special appetizer from Mexico. You guys get that? It's one of my favorite appetizer. All right, so it's gonna be guacamole. All right, guacamole. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Guys, ready? All right, let's go. Okay, guys, that's what I need to do this appetizer. You see, guys, looks good, right? It's a lot of different things here to make this dish. All right, let's go. We're gonna start here. I'm gonna tell you we have here. We have one tomato. Doesn't have to be big. One tomato. We have here one white onion. We have here cilantro. Yes, we have a half cup. It's gonna bring the flavor together. It's gonna taste good. All right. After that, we have 6 avocado. All right, 6 avocado. Also, we have here 4 lemons. All right, so I have here 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, I have 1 teaspoon of Kosher salt. All right, also I have here jalapeno. Yes, jalapeno. Jalapeno, I have 2 jalapenos. All right, so if you guys like spice. If you guys doesn't like spice, just delete. You guys doesn't have to use. All right, so guys, you ready for this? Let's go. But don't be scared. All right, let's go. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the avocados. All right, the avocado looks very good. All right, look at this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these dishes here. Yes, my avocado looks good. Looks very good. So let's take this out. All right, wow, that looks good. You see, it's perfect. You see, it come up so easily and that's soft. It's not hot. So let's go second one. You just keep doing the same way, right? And it's gonna taste delicious, delicious, guys. It's gonna taste very good, and look at that, very good. All right, you guys see that? Okay, guys. Now I have all my avocado over here in the bowl. So now what I have to do is squeeze. See that? You have to do that. And see that? It's looking good. It's looking good. I like to leave a little pieces of them, you know what I mean? So that's good. You don't need to like mush everything, like no. You need to have little pieces up there. That's good. That's good. All right. So I think it's good. All right. Very good. So I'm gonna leave this here. All right. So next step, guys. All right. I'm gonna have put my tomato. All right. Tomato there. Okay, my onions. That's a white onions. Yep. Very good. That's my cilantro. That's gonna bring the flavor. So good. This is my jalapeno peppers. I have 2 of them. Wow. If you guys doesn't like jalapeno, just don't use. Right. That's all right. So now I have my 4 lemons. Ooh. Whoa, that looks good. Don't be afraid. All right, don't be afraid. All right, let's go, guys. Almost finished. It's very simple dish. You know what I mean? This is my powder garlic. Bingo. All right. So done. And this is my Kosher salt. You know, it's 1 spoon. Bingo. All right. If you need more salt, you just add it. You try, you know. All right. So I got my spoon here. So now we're gonna mix. Let's mix it up. Whoa, I can smell guacamole. Whoa, that smells good. All the flavors together, guys. Wow. Look at this. Look this. My God. Wow. It smells so good. This is very good, guys. It's very simple to do it. You know, you're at home. And it's very quickly. All right, very quickly to make. And it's delicious. That's the most important. So you have to just mix. Just keep mixing, good. All right, so all the vegetable and everything gets together, nice and neat. All right. So hold on a second. Let me get something like and put here. Let's see how this goes. So this you eat with tortillas, all right? So all different types up there. So you get whatever you like. All right. So this will pour there. All right. Let's see. Look at this. Let me see if it's good. I'll let you know. I like it a lot. That's good. I'll let you know. This is so good. I'm gonna have another one. It's delicious. This is I call a real guacamole. All right, guys. It's delicious. Very good. See, guys, it's very simple to make it, and it's very, very good. All right, guys. Listen. Don't be afraid. All right. Don't be afraid, guys. Hey, guys. You guys have to do it.